These 13 practical kitchen tools on Amazon are essentials if you enjoy cooking or just want to make your time in the kitchen easier. These devices, which range from simple meal prep to precision cooking, are made to make cooking more effective, enjoyable, and mess-free. Chef-N Fresh Force Citrus Juicer. Last but not least, for anyone who appreciates freshly squeezed juice without having to deal with a large juicer, the Chef-N Fresh Force Citrus Juicer is revolutionary. Fruits like lemons, limes, and oranges may have their juice extracted more easily and with less effort thanks to this manual juicer's 2-to-1 mechanical advantage. The ergonomic handles guarantee a pleasant grip during juicing, and the small size makes storage simple. The sole drawback? Larger fruits like grapefruits might not function well with it because it works best with tiny to medium-sized citrus fruits. But this is a great gadget to have on hand for quick and simple citrus juicing. Xylus Salad Spinner. The Xylus Salad Spinner will revolutionize salad preparation if you want fresh salads but detest soggy greens. You will always have crisp, precisely dried lettuce thanks to this convenient device that spins your greens dry using a manual pumping mechanism. The bowl can be used as a serving dish, and its ergonomic form makes it simple to use. Additionally, it is dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. The only drawback is that it's a little heavy, which could be problematic if you don't have a lot of storage space. However, the Xylus Salad Spinner is an essential addition to any kitchen if you want to make fresh salads without the mess. Ninja Coffee Bar Brewer. Coffee drinkers, rejoice! One of the greatest methods to create cafe caliber coffee at home is using the Ninja Coffee Bar Brewer. This multi-purpose coffee maker has multiple brew methods, including classic, rich, over ice, and even specialty brews like lattes and cappuccinos. And it can brew anything from a single cup to an entire pot of coffee. Its integrated frother, which enables you to make foamy milk for your preferred coffee drinks, is what makes it unique. To keep your coffee hot for hours, the Ninja Coffee Bar also has a thermal carafe. The sole disadvantage? For coffee lovers, it's definitely worth the counter space it takes up because it's a little bulky. Spiralizer 5-Blade Vegetable Slicer. The Spiralizer 5-Blade Vegetable Slicer is the ideal tool if you're searching for an enjoyable and healthful method to add some variation to your meals. Vegetables like zucchini, sweet potatoes, carrots, and more can be spiralized with this instrument to create noodles or attractive garnishes. Whether you're making thin ribbons for salads, curly fries, or zucchini noodles, it has several blades that are individually made to produce a variety of shapes and textures. Because of its small size, spiralizing is quick and simple, and the blades are extremely sharp. The sole drawback? For anyone wishing to prepare healthier meals, the rewards are well worth the slight manual labor required. Hamilton Beach Electric Knife. Without the proper equipment, cutting through tough meals, slicing bread, and carving meats may be a pain. Anyone who appreciates carving with ease and accuracy needs to have the Hamilton Beach Electric Knife. The strong motor and 2 serrated blades quickly cut through heavy roast, sliced bread, and carved turkey. A carving fork is also included to aid and improve stability. Even with prolonged use, the ergonomic handle guarantees a pleasant grip. Even though it's not the smallest knife, it works great for bigger meals and special occasions. This electric knife is a great addition to your kitchen if you routinely cook huge dinners or host parties. Kuhn Ricken Dual Garlic Press. The Kuhn Ricken Dual Garlic Press is an ideal kitchen gadget if you enjoy garlic, but detest the mess that comes with chopping it. You can easily press ginger and garlic cloves with this special garlic press. The press's design, which is made of sturdy stainless steel, makes it simple to smash garlic without first peeling it, saving you time and aggravation. Additionally, it may be cleaned quickly and easily in a dishwasher. Even when pressing several cloves at once, the ergonomic handle makes it simple to apply pressure. The original silicone baking mat. The original silicone baking mat is a kitchen essential for anyone who enjoy baking but hate the trouble of cleanup afterward. When baking, this reusable non-stick mat replaces parchment paper and oils. You'll always have a mess-free baking experience if you just put it on your baking sheet. It guarantees that your baked items bake evenly and won't adhere to pan, in addition to making cleanup a snap. Because it can withstand temperatures of up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, it can be used for anything from roast to cookies. Anova Sous Vide Precision Cooker. If you ever wanted to cook restaurant-quality meals at home with precision, the Anova Sous Vide Precision Cooker is a must-have gadget. Sous vide cooking involves sealing food in a vacuum bag and cooking it in a water bath at a precisely controlled temperature. This method ensures that your food is cooked perfectly every time, with evenly distributed heat and the best flavor and texture. The Anova device is user-friendly, connecting to your smartphone via Bluetooth for easy control and temperature adjustments. Whether you're cooking steaks, chicken, or even vegetables, Sous Vide takes your cooking to a whole new level of perfection. Black Plus Decker Hand Mixer. The Black Plus Decker Hand Mixer is an essential kitchen tool for anyone who likes baking or cooking that involves a lot of mixing. All of your ingredients may be easily whipped, blended, and mixed with this strong yet portable mixer. With its various speeds and beaters, you can precisely work with anything from thin batters to thick doughs. The parts are dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup, and the ergonomic grip makes mixing comfortable. One of the best things about this hand mixer is how reasonably priced it is, making it suitable for both bakers and home cooks. Silicone stretch lids. Finding the appropriate lid for that fruit or leftover meal is one of the most frequent kitchen annoyances. The use of silicone stretch lids is revolutionary. These adaptable lids may be stretched to fit a large range of containers, including fruits and vegetables, bowls, and pots. Without the need for single-use plastic wrap, they provide an airtight barrier that keeps your food fresher for longer thanks to their sturdy, food-grade silicone construction. They are quite convenient because they can be used in the freezer, dishwasher, and microwave. Every time you keep leftovers, you're not adding to the plastic trash problem because they're reusable and environmentally beneficial. Kitchen IQ Edge Grip Knife Sharpener. With the Kitchen IQ Edge Grip Knife Sharpener, you can maintain your knives in excellent condition without shelling out a fortune for expert sharpening. A dull knife can make cooking more difficult and less safe. With the two-stage sharpening feature of this small and user-friendly tool, you can swiftly sharpen and restore the edge of your knives. No matter how thick the blade is, the distinctive design's edge grip feature allows for pleasant and steady knife sharpening. Joseph Index Chopping Board Set. It can be very annoying for anyone who has ever had to deal with cross-contamination when chopping food. That issue is resolved by the Joseph Index Chopping Board Set's elegant and ingenious design. 4 color-coded board with labels for raw meat, fish, veggies, and prepared food are included in this set. This helps keep dangerous microorganisms out of your food. Even better, the boards have an incorporated storage container to keep your kitchen beautiful and organized. It's a terrific complement to any countertop because of its clever yet simple design, which is both practical and fashionable. Perfect Drink Pro Smart Bartending. Imagine throwing a party where there is never any guessing or awkward ingredient combining, and everyone's drink is always flawlessly mixed. The Perfect Drink Pro Smart Bartending System can help with that. With the help of this cutting-edge device, you can mix hundreds of cocktails in real time by connecting it to your smartphone. It ensures that your drinks are consistently perfectly balanced by carefully measuring each ingredient using a smart scale. That's our roundup of the 13 best kitchen gadgets for 2025. Which one's stealing a spot in your kitchen? Let us know in the comments. Smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome gadget reviews to make your life easier. Keep cooking, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next one.